Hi, I'm Rabia Siddique. The world is shifting. Every day we face uncertainty, division, and a crisis of trust.
Don't be...
Can you give us a question?
I'm not going to give you a question.
Can you state categorically?
You are fake news.
Let's talk about the timing of Israel striking Iran.
Growling and dog noises coming from this side of the chamber while a female member in this place is on her feet.
How soon do you think it could be before there is real fighting here?
Get in here!
A new look at some of the destruction that is happening in Kiev.
This morning, newly released video shows what former Minneapolis police officer Tu Tao thought when he learned George Floyd died.
But trust is everything. It's the foundation of leadership, the heartbeat of connection, the spark that ignites real change.
It's this ripple effect that we all have the capacity to create. And what we know about ripples is when they come together, they create waves.
I'm inviting you to join me as we explore what it takes to build trust that's unbreakable. In my keynote, Trust Unbreakable, Leading, Speaking and Inspiring in an Uncertain World, I'll share the stories, the struggles and the triumphs that shaped me. From war zones to courtrooms to boardrooms.
How many times in history have ordinary folk had to build themselves back up from nothing and take extraordinary action when forced to do so?
Because the leaders the world needs today are the ones bold enough to lead with trust, with courage, and with heart.
I truly believe that the biggest existential crisis that we face in our world today is the loss of trust.
Are you ready?